So we are here with Chad Coleman, Tyrese from The Walking Dead, who recently met his demise, like so many souls on that show. Are you okay? It's all right, man. I'll give you a hug. It's all right. Just let it out. Okay. Let it out. You good? You good? All right. Yeah, okay, but you're moving on to bigger and better things. Well, maybe better. Equal. We'll say equal.
Bigger. Say equal.
Yeah. Big equal things. Yeah. There we go. We're just gonna keep it like that.
Exactly.
So with the Expanse, which is going to be coming out this year, you play Fred Johnson.
I do.
Who's the
Fred
lead?
Lucius
Johnson. Fred Lucius Johnson.
And it's funny that my grandfather's name was Lucius, so there's some simpatico there. Great, exciting writing, great actors. We need that spaceship drama. It's going to be amazing.
Awesome.
Thomas Jane is, there's just no words. The dude is awesome.
Yeah, I agree with you there. I really enjoy the Thomas Jane, and I look forward to The Expanse, definitely. Now, one show that, of course, aside from The Walking Dead, that you are associated with is The Wire, which... Yeah. The Wire it amazes me because fans come up to me all the time talking about The Wire, and they're like, fans of The Wire are so rabid about it and energetic. It's like the show's still on the air.
That's true.
It's like that energy is still there. It's like, you got to watch The Wire.
And they did re-air it recently on HBO and HD, so it's just...
It's like new generation of fans.
It's turning over, man. It's the gift that keeps on giving. I love it.
Yeah. What do you think about the fan base for The Wire? Is it? Would you say it's just as rabid as The Walking Dead, if not more so?
No, I have to. No, it's just a steady, passionate group. You know.
Yeah.
Whereas The Walking Dead, they're far more effusive and you know, like. Yeah. So little different. I think like Norman Reedus got a better crossover with Boondock Saints. Like those fans are the same as Walking Dead fans. So totally. It's a little different, but that just it speaks to I have the type of range that I'm able to different projects. Attract different types of people.
Exactly. And one of those other projects is Treadwater.
Yeah.
Yeah. So could you give us a little bit of information on that? I know that it's a dystopian future and vigilantes.
That's right. Go to treadwater.tv and or at Treadwater and lose all the vowels. So just spell the word without the vowels, and you'll find out what's going on. This is a transmedia franchise. It's a graphic novel, it's a video game. It's an interactive web series, it's a motion comic, and it's also a TV show. And I'm gonna play this bad A named Mr. O.C., And so it's like you said, it's in the future, about 15 years, the Euro blows up, and so all nations are kind of against each other, pitted against each other, so the government creates this group of operatives or hires this guy who goes out and seeks these 6 operatives, and very elaborate storylines like Lost and G.I. Joe and Homeland combined, and it's everybody has an operative inside them. We all want to be 007 without having to look like 007. So it's amazing. It's very sexy. It's right now, and we're on the tip of an iceberg that's gonna just blow up, man.
That's awesome. It's interesting you say everybody wants to be 007 because I personally always wanted to be Shipwreck from G.I. Joe.
There you go.
All right. Well, thank you very much for talking with us, sir.
Man.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you, brother.
And we look forward to more great stuff from you in the future.
Awesome, brother. Thank you. All right, baby.